Hi, I'm Steve. This is Fran. Today we're going to talk about two dissimilar companies. You're going one way or the other. And this one, there's no right answer. It's SKS, it's the new line by LG, and BlueStar, family owned here. Two really good choices for your kitchen. What do you think?
So like I said, both great ranges, but SKS definitely more on the innovation side and technology, where BlueStar has really kind of built their name on the commercial heritage, being able to fit, deeper commercial sheet pans. So very different, but some similarities as we get into some of the products with dual fuel. So let's start with Pro Ranges. Let's compare them now.
SKS, they call themselves the Technicarian, or what is it?
Yeah, the Technicarian.
Technicarian, whatever that means. Anyway, the Technicarian means the great thing about an SKS is they make the technology really easy, where they have the control panel is very simple, prominent. You got pictures you can swipe like you do on your phone, and very easy. They've got steam technology in some of their bigger ranges. They have sous. They have sous vide. And, we went to SKS as part of a training, and the sous vide really works. If you use it, it's precision boiling and bag. You add your protein, add your sauces, and it cooks precisely. And the great thing about it, it stays the same temperature on the reheat. So if you get a roast, you cook it and then you reheat it. It's got the similar, which is really unusual for any type of cooking. So in terms of that, it's good. It also adds induction, which is faster than than any type of pro gas burner. And when you talk about high output burners, you're talking about BlueStar, right?
Yeah. And even SKS, for their, I think they go up to 23,000 BTU. Really, the only one that you're going to get more powerful would be a BlueStar, which you can get up to 25,000. Now, BlueStar has always been and they've had sealed burners, but really have been known for that open burner style. So, really getting the flame in the center of the burner there, kind of what you're going to see at a restaurant. Really kind of what they've always been known for. Again, being able to fit a commercial sheet pan. So they've always kind of, not necessarily catered to the chef, but made it so it was going to be most similar to a commercial kitchen. But over the last year or so now, they've come out with dual fuel and a sealed burner that is different than what they've historically had, and a little bit more technology built into that range now too.
It's funny. Two things they said they never do is seal a burner, because you would never get that kind of BTU. Their BTU output on the seal burner is exactly the same as the other one at 25,000 BTU, and they would never, ever, ever put controls on. They got a 7-inch. I should be in the 7-inch touchscreen business.
It's unbelievable.
Monogram has it, Wolf has it, and now BlueStar has the 7-inch touchscreen, and it's pretty good. It controls the modes, but I think in terms of technology, I still think SKS, because of their probably affiliation with LG, is the more technical range. But again, BlueStar is high output, and BlueStar does something, and it's unusual that a company that hails its commercial roots has 1,000 different colors and 10 different trims. I mean, the chefs don't say, I want my range to be canary yellow. They want it either cheap or stainless steel, right? So you get the ability to make something super unique in a BlueStar that you don't get in an SKS. So technology-wise, it's going to be SKS. But in terms of unique output, SKS has the sous vide and the induction, but BlueStar's got, and they've got griddle too. But BlueStar's got griddle, and French top. So if you want a grill, or if you want a French top, which is, a burner that radiates the heat outwards, so you're going to cook many different things, that's BlueStar. So it really depends on the look you want, the accessories you want, and how much technology you want would dictate that particular decision. So you either go in one way or another. I know we're supposed to rank these, but it's kind of, do you like chocolate or vanilla? I mean, it's totally different.
Yeah. You have a winner in Pro Ranges?
No.
Who would you pick?
No, you can't.
I agree.
Can you?
Let's go to built-in cooking. Maybe there'll be a little bit more. So built-in cooking, like wall ovens, cooktops, things like that. Yeah.
I think in terms of what could be my favorite wall oven is the speed oven, is the speed oven top, which means you can cook as a microwave convection or microwave convection to save you the time without that microwave taste. With their slide control,
Yeah.
you know, their interface, phone interface, and then you get steam assist and their electric oven. And I think steam and electric is very important because electric's a drier heat, so adding moisture will make your roasts more flavorful. And it's so easy. That's such a great combination for someone to cook. And you don't have to do any of it, by the way. You can cook regular. It's such a good way to just cook differently, enhance the ways you can cook, and they make it super simple. And I think their wall ovens do that, and fairly affordably too.
Absolutely, and I think this is definitely where an SKS stands apart. BlueStar, from installation styles or just styles in general, you know, you can get that French door style, which is kind of cool that some people like, not having to reach over a door. They do a really nice job actually with that built-in pizza stone if you do a lot of pizzas or things like that in your oven, some unique things. But the control panel is definitely not to the level of what you're going to get with an SKS. So I definitely, and the other thing with BlueStar is definitely a lot more customization as far as colors, if that's something that you're looking for too, that you can do with the wall ovens too. So, and cooktops, you know, sticking with built-in cooktops, I think this is another area that SKS is really good. If you're looking for a really affordable, but truly one of the best induction cooktops on the market, I mean, really it's hard to look past SKS.
Yeah, well, it all depends. You know, the gas BlueStar I like, you know, the range top,
Yep.
really good because you get the same combinations. And I like them for gas range tops. But that, first of all, I'm not sure affordable. I mean, I obviously respect whatever you say, but $4,000 is still kind of expensive. But the one thing it does do, and you're right for mentioning it, is it's got it's got that LCD control panel, but it's got a 7,000 watt element in the middle. I mean, the average induction burner is what? The high end on induction burner is 3,500 watts.
Yeah, and that's about the average.
This is 7,100 watts. And this cooktop will even tell you if how compatible your cookware is to induction.
Yeah.
You hit the one on the left, and it'll tell you the percentage of ferrous metal in your thing. And that's, I think for induction SKS, certainly for gas, I still give the edge to BlueStar.
Yeah.
But really good comparison, both good units.
Definitely. Now let's jump to refrigeration.
I think again, you're talking about two different units. You get the BlueStar, which is more of the commercial type, and the commercial type is compressor top.
Yeah.
Right. They both are stainless steel inside. You get the 1,000 different colors. In Pirelli, you can't panelize anything other than the columns, whereas SKS is integrated, so it's hidden. Right. So it's. And they've got the bigger 48 inch now, right? But they don't have a 42.
Yeah, the 48 inch with the 4 doors,
and they got
6 doors. Really,
and they've got the 36 with the drawers underneath. Both are good, but totally different. You know, one's better for commercial and one's better for integrated, in my view.
And stylistically too, it's like what people prefer. Some, you know, when you get to some of those integrated models, obviously the shelving's really high up as well compared to the BlueStar where it sits a little lower. So ease of use could be different, but yeah, both really, really good products there.
You only have to be 6'3" to reach the top of it.
Yeah, that's it. I'm not quite there.
No, neither am I. You know, it's funny, all those integrateds, I got a Sub-Zero integrated and you know, I can't reach the top of it.
There's
either.
a few things up there. We'll just leave them.
You know, not getting the mustard anytime soon.
There you go.
So is that it?
That's it.
That's it? All right. So if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.